Kia ora te whānau. Today we'll be talking about the R sounds in Te Reo Māori because these sounds do not exist in English language, but others do. Now, here are some words, and I'm going to pronounce these words with English R sounds, so these are mistakes. So first up, marae, marae. Kōrero, kōrero. Maori, 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 Te Reo Māori, Te Reo Māori. Now, those were pronounced using the English R sounds. Here are some tips on how to pronounce the Te Reo Māori R sounds. It is basically a soft rolled R sound, so they r sound. R. It is not the stronger R sound, such as in Spanish. Perro, r. We just want to have a very short or soft rolled R sound. R, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Now, if you struggle with rolling the R, that is okay, because the next method has worked with all my friends so far. I call it the D method. First of all, I want you to say these. Da, de, di, do, do. Da, de, di, do, do. If you got that right, I want you to repeat it again, but this time with a softer D sound. Softer D sound. And it should sound like ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. All right. I hope you got that right, and I want you to keep practicing if this is the first time you're pronouncing the Te Reo R sounds correctly. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Now let's go back at the top. Now let's pronounce these words correctly this time. Ma, ra, e. Marae. Ko, re, ro. Kōrero. Māori. Māori. Mauri. Mauri. Te Reo Māori. Te Reo Māori. Remember to break down the words first for more manageable sounds. Let's try another set of examples. Here we have 5 names, place names in Aotearoa. Ahuriri. Ahuriri. Now this one's a little bit tricky because you have ri and ri right next to each other. Ahuriri. Ahuriri. Kiri roa. Now if you find it difficult, group it together. Kiri roa. Say it all together. Kiri roa. Tauranga. Tauranga. Rotorua. Rotorua. Not Rotorua. Whangarei. Whangarei. Now, with the last example, the reason why I put the emphasis on ngā instead of fa is because the general rule of thumb of emphasis is usually the first syllable. However, when you see a vowel with macron for the first time in a word, you want to emphasize that instead of anything else. So instead of whangare, it will be whangarei. So you put the emphasis on ngā because that's the first vowel with a macron. Alright, I hope you learned something new today. Kia kaha te reo Māori, karawhiua. Give it a go.